Saturday morning. Oh, I've had a big sleep in. It's 8 o'clock. That's a big sleep in for me. Sometimes it's nice just to take it easy, just relax, and First thing in the morning, I do is to lay down and just think about things I'm really grateful for, and I do that before I head up and start my day. And that's one of the things that I really like doing. It sets my day up in a really positive way. So I'm going to make my way up now, and I'm going to go for a bit of a walk. But first I'm going to do my little other morning routine, so you can come and join me. Time to open the blinds. Oh my goodness me, look at this bed hair. Oh, let's see how the weather is today. Winter is kind of happening here in Victoria, but every season's got the beauty of itself, hasn't it? So we're going to head out and go for a bit of a walk. Wow, it's such a beautiful day. The sun is out. And I've got my friend just outside where I live. I'm going to show you my friend. Good morning, sheepy. Hello. That's my sheepy. It's a free-range sheepy here on this property. Very cute. Finally out of bed. That was so cozy. It's so nice to take it really slow on a Saturday morning, but finally made the bed here in my little tiny shack that I'm residing at this point in time in my life. And it's quite cozy. Little bohemian shack here in Victoria in Australia. I love taking it slow in the morning and just doing my little morning routine. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put some happy orange in my diffuser, because I love orange essential oil. So let's turn that on so it smells absolutely delicious when I come back from my morning walk. There we go. Done. So the first thing I always do is to cut up some lemon. I'm actually going to squeeze lemon today, so I'm just going to cut it up and I'm going to squeeze it in my little lemon glass squeezer here. I've got my lemon, squeezed lemon. That had a lot of juice this morning, this lemon. Absolutely beautiful. I decided to put a little bit of orange essential oil in there and warm water, and then I've got my turmeric drops. So I love having this first thing in the morning. That is my my part of my morning routine, so I've got to have that. So that's the first thing I do before I head out. And it's delicious. It gives me a little bit of energy, so I've got that. I'm going to get that down and then we'll go for a walk. I have this little routine in the morning where I always choose my essential oil that I'm drawn towards, and I do my intention and then I tend to put it around the neck. I just love that. I think I've got everything. I am ready to head out for my morning walk. So this morning I'm just walking up from the property where I'm staying, and I'm heading towards the basin in Drysdale. It's a beautiful nature reserve there, and lots of tree ferns and things like that. So it's really beautiful. So this morning I'm going to walk towards the Drysdale basin. It's a beautiful little area where there's lots of sort of tree ferns that are very, very old. It's just a lovely area. So here I'm coming towards the basin reserve now, and it's all closed off, I think, because of rabbits. There's a lot of rabbits around, so they've got to have all the fencing here, and that's of course for the possums not to destroy the trees. But look at these big ferns here, they're absolutely amazing. Look at this beauty. It is massive, massive, massive. Imagine how many years they've been here. Wow, there's a lot of them. It is so beautiful here, guys. It's really in nature where I feel at home. My absolute favourite place. It is out in nature. I've always felt it grounds me. I just feel alive. I feel all the stress go. At the moment, the fresh air is just beautiful. When I was younger and when the kids were young, it was always busy. When I was young, I was always training and running and rowing and doing activities Saturday morning. When my kids were young, you're running around everywhere, taking them to sport and activities. So now I really enjoy just having my time and my walks, and yeah, today is blissful. Today is ultimate self-care. I think it's really important to just step away from the busyness. A lot of the time we're just chasing and pushing, and what I've come to learn is that when we just step away from, that real busyness, it just fills the cup up again, and for me it gives me a lot of clarity, and it also gives me lots of inspiration. So this is one of the entrances to the Basin of the Reserve here in Drysdale. Lots of nice little areas to walk around here. And very lovely countryside around here. I'm gonna continue my walk up this way. So that's it, I'm nearly back. Had a nice walk and reflections on the walk. And now I'm gonna have some beautiful breakfast. Banana. I've got some bananas, and I've got some beautiful kiwis, another kiwis, and I think I've got a couple of blackberries left actually. Yes, I do. So I'm just gonna have, this morning I'm just gonna have a bowl with a little bit of fruit, and just that's how I'm gonna start off my day today. And the other thing I'm going to do is I've got this beautiful ashwagandha tea that I really love. So I love my teas. So ashwagandha, I have found it really helps me to take in the morning. I've got supplements as well. That's really been working well for me. Check out these big blackberries. They are gigantic. So I'm going to actually cut them, make a little fruit bowl. Beautiful fruit. So I put together some banana, kiwi, or some blackberries, oranges today. I'm going to keep it a little bit lighter this weekend, and this afternoon I'm going to go and sit in a sauna just right near the beach in this area. Absolutely beautiful. Traditional sauna, the ones that Vikings are used to sit in. I used to sit in saunas a lot when I was young. I just love it. So I'm going to go there with my daughter and my son's girlfriend. So that's going to be a really beautiful day. And I actually have taken really good liking for this ashwagandha tea. So this weekend I'm also going to focus on just staying away from caffeine and having herbal teas, really good herbal teas that are going to support my system. And yeah, reduce the stress, and just calming teas. So that's my Saturday morning, guys. Hoping you have a good one too. Getting lots of rest. Restore the body with lots of good things. Get out in fresh air and breathe deeply and connect with some loved ones. I think that's and movement, of course, and having a bit of fun. I think that's the key to life. Step away and just from the normal chores and just enjoy and practice good self-care. Hope you're having a beautiful day or weekend. See you in the next vlog.